Welcome to Digital Skillworks Studio, where digital skills come to life. My goal is to guide you through clear, beginner-friendly lessons that make learning digital tools simple, enjoyable, and stress-free. Lesson 2. Creating your Canva account and exploring the Canva dashboard. In this lesson, you'll learn how to set up your free account and navigate Canva's main workspace. Open your web browser and go to canva.com. On the homepage, you'll see several ways to create an account. You can sign up using Google, Facebook, or your email address. Choose the option that works best for you so you can get started quickly. Choose Continue with email. Type your email address into the box. Then click Continue to move to the next step. This option is great if you want a simple login that works on any device. Canva will ask for your name. Type it into the field provided. Then click Continue to create your account. This helps Canva personalize your workspace and keep your designs organized. Next, Canva asks what you'll use it for. Select personal, business, education, or nonprofit. If you're not sure, choose personal use. After setup, Canva opens your dashboard. This is your main workspace where all your designs begin. You'll come back to this page every time you log in. It's the central hub for everything you create. The home icon on the left sidebar brings you back to this main dashboard anytime. It's the quickest way to return to your starting point. You'll use this button often as you move between different tools. Think of it as your reset button inside Canva. At the top, you'll see the search bar and quick access buttons. Use the search bar to find templates and tools instantly. You can also start a new design from here. These shortcuts help you work faster and stay organized. On the left side, you'll find Canva's main navigation menu. This includes Create, Home, Projects, Templates, Brand, Apps, and more. Each section opens a different part of your workspace. You'll use this menu constantly as you explore Canva. Click Create to open Canva's design menu. Here you can choose preset sizes or enter custom dimensions. This is where every new project begins. It's the fastest way to start designing exactly what you need. The Projects tab stores all your designs, folders, and uploads. It's your creative library where everything you make is saved. You can organize your work into folders for easy access. This keeps your workspace clean and simple to navigate. The Templates tab gives you ready-made designs organized by category. You'll find options for posters, resumes, social media posts, and more. Templates help you create beautiful designs quickly. They're perfect for beginners or anyone short on time. The Brand tab stores your brand colors, fonts, and logos. It helps you keep a consistent look across all your designs. Even on the free plan, you can save your favorite colors. This makes it easy to stay on brand every time you create. Canva AI lets you describe your idea, and it brings it to life automatically. You can generate designs, images, or even short clips. It's a powerful tool for creating content quickly. Just type what you want, and Canva does the rest. The More menu gives you access to extra tools like Print Shop, Content Planner, Design School, and Dreamlab. These features help you expand your creative workflow. You can explore tutorials, schedule posts, or order printed designs. It's a great place to discover new ways to use Canva. The Apps tab connects Canva to other tools like LinkedIn, Amazon Ads, and social media integrations. You can add apps to extend what Canva can do. Many apps help you import content or publish designs faster. It's a helpful way to streamline your projects. Canva offers both free and pro plans. The free plan gives you everything you need for this series. You can upgrade anytime for extra features. You now know how to create your Canva account and navigate the dashboard. You're ready to start designing your own projects. Everything you need is right here on your homepage. This is where your creativity begins. In the next lesson, you'll learn how to use Canva templates. Templates are the fastest way to create beautiful designs. They give you a strong starting point, even if you're a complete beginner. You'll be able to customize them to match your style. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell so you don't miss the next lesson. Your support helps this channel grow. I'll see you in the next tutorial.